What is going on? James from Act Audio, and we just did some work on this Road Glide. It's an older Road Glide. I actually didn't catch the year, but it's a 13 and under. Customer came to us. He had SX165 Neos, HKI Mini, and a sound digital amp that he had purchased elsewhere. One of his speakers weren't working. So we went in, we found a connection issue and a blown speaker. And while he was here, he wanted to put in the new Diamond radio. So we actually drove to our distributor, picked up the radio because this customer came from New Hampshire. He is about 2 hours away, rode his bike down because he knew he could trust me and wanted us to look at it. Yeah, so we wrapped it up. He's got the new Diamond Harley radio with SX165 Neos. He has the Sound Digital Evo X2 amp, the HKI Mini DSP, and this is a fantastic 2-speaker system that cranks. So as you can see, we not only do new systems, but we definitely can repair, replace, fix, help with an older system too, whatever you need to do. So the customer came in with one working speaker. He's now leaving with 2 and a new radio that brings him into the modern age with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So any questions, hit me up down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting us. Take care.